A very good morning, dear students. How are you? Have you all eaten breakfast? Hope so. Children always eat healthy food. Use sanitizer, wear mask, keep social distancing, and say no to corona so that corona may leave us and we can meet again in the classroom. Do you want to come to school? Let's wait for that day. So children, now come to the topic. Yesterday we were doing lesson 19, the story of wheel. In that we have seen during early days, traveling long distances on land with heavy loads was a problem for the early men. So they used to carry their belongings on their back. So now today in the lesson we will see what they did to make wheels. So with me, take out page number 92. One day what happened, early men noticed or seen stone rolling down a slope. So they started searching or finding something that would roll smoothly on ground. So they took a round log of wood and put it under a sledge. Now children, do you know sledge? What is sledge? It is a vehicle with no wheels and it is used for traveling on snow. Now this sledge was also what early men, what they did, they tied few sticks together to form sledge. Now in order to make sledge move easily, people cut two round discs. Can you see in the picture now? These are the disc, two round discs, and they made hole in the center of the logs. Then they fitted it to a strong rod or stick. Okay, now in the center they've made a hole, and with the rod, with the help of this long rod or stick, okay, they fitted inside the hole, the rod. Now last two paragraph we will do tomorrow. So now let's come to homework. Okay, so with me for your homework, children, take out page number 92, and in 92 you can see exercise B, fill in the blanks. Now in this, sentence 1 is, it was difficult to move dash objects without wheels. Now what kind of objects? Heavy objects, HEAVY, heavy objects without wheels, how to move them. So it was difficult. Now come to page 93. Now this is page 93 and sentence 2 on top. Early man must cut the dash to make the wheel. Okay, so what did they cut? They cut the trees to make the wheel. Now come to sentence 3. Travelers used to carry their belongings on their back. Okay, that was before making the wheels. None. So that time what they used to do, traveler, when they wherever they go, they used to carry their things on their back. That was a very difficult task. Now sentence 4. People made holes in the dash of the logs. Where they made the holes? In the center of the logs. Then number 5, vehicles were pulled by with the help of wheels. Dash means wheels. So these were the sentences. Okay, fill in the blanks for your homework. Okay, now children, tomorrow again we have to continue the same lesson and the last two paragraph we will do. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.